Annmarie, it's interesting. You know, Tesla's the short interest in Tesla is far more than the total market cap of Fiat Chrysler.
Yeah, it's on the verge to be the first to hit this level of $20 billion, according to S3 Partners. In a report that they put out, they're saying that both Tesla and Nikola, which is developing these EV trucks, their shares look like candidates for a short squeeze. Tesla's a very obvious one, more than a 200% gain this year alone. So likely forcing out short sellers who have hit their limit for losses. We should note, though, that this is notional. This is the value. When you look at the percentage of shares outstanding, Tesla's at 9.5%. So there's a lot more hated stocks in the U.S., including American Airlines. They have a 29% interest. But Elon Musk has also been toying and, poking fun at these short sellers. This past weekend, he made good on his promise to produce these pair of shorts to mark his triumph against these investors who are betting against Tesla. They are actually on sale. I just checked the online store, and they've been sold out. So a bunch of people are buying them, and they're some $70 US.
Very nice. What about the picture for other companies then here in Europe, Annmarie, and the short interest in those?
So when you look at the S3 short interest across the stock 600 on a notional level, the top companies are actually all French. So the Tesla of Europe, if you would say, would be energy giant Total. Their short interest is standing at $7.99 billion. That's less than half of what Tesla's is. Then you have names like L'Oreal, LVMH, Daimler, and Daimler would be the automaker with the most short interest on that value level. But then the list gets a little bit more diverse with obviously a lot smaller companies when you look at short percentages of shares outstanding, which Danny Berg and I both agree is probably a little bit more fair. And you have companies like Fraport, TUI, Peugeot, Royal Mail. Those are the type of companies in Europe that are on those top percent in terms of short interest, in terms of shares outstanding.